Hi, I'm Tim Kohl with East Coast Yacht Sales. Today we're going to do a video on an MJM 50z triple pods, hull number 10. We just got back from a nice ride. Hope you enjoy it.
It was fantastic. We called it our floating condo. We were in our own little bubble. We could go into marinas, supportive, and we just loved every bit of it. It was perfect during COVID.
It felt really cozy. I loved it.
Safe.
Very
absolutely.
safe. Very, very safe.
You know, I always felt it was a great combination of comfort, performance, and style. So I'd have to say all three of those are strengths of the boat. Just love everything about it.
Yeah. I really like the gyroscope. When it's a little rough, it keeps things smooth. I was really nervous to begin with, and after a few lessons I felt really confident. It is so easy to handle, and I have had very little boating experience, so it's so easy.
Gaining confidence.
Yes, practicing, gaining confidence.
Yeah, we went outside quite a bit, and she handles great. I mean, really well, whether you're into, heading into it or it's following, does well in all conditions.
Oh, so many.
I'd say my favorite memory is we were off the coast of North Carolina. It was a calm day. We'd gone far enough out that we were in the Gulf Stream. Deep blue water. We saw a pod of dolphins. We just stopped the boat, parked. They came up to us. They were swimming around us, and it was just a magical moment.
Yeah.
And then we carried forward, and they ran our bowway for quite some time. Yeah, it was just a magical day. We'll be back for sure.
Oh yeah.
You'll buy another boat.
Yes,
Oh, yes.
absolutely.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want any more information about this boat, please look for my information on the bottom of the screen. Thank you.